everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a shop with me / vlog. My son and I are going to run to Dollar General and see what they have. I was told that they have some super cute decor, so we'll see. I do have a budget around $50 to $100 just because I'm not only buying for one space, I'm buying for a few projects coming up. Sorry, got all up in my face. But I figured I would just go look, see what I can find. Hopefully I find some good stuff because I haven't had much luck at like Ross or TJ Maxx or even like Hobby Lobby. I just feel like all the stuff is like the same stuff that they've had every single year. And I was told that Dollar General has a ton of new decor, so I'm excited. Yep, safety first, buckle up. That's right. Also, our Walmart just put out fall decor, and I just don't love it. I don't love any of it. To me, it looks, some of it, not all of it. So you don't fall out of the truck, that's right. But some of the fall decor at Walmart, I just feel like is, for the price that they're asking, it just seems pretty cheap to me. I don't know, maybe it's just they haven't put the new stuff out yet. I have no idea, but there was like this pumpkin that they had marked for like $7, and it was pretty cheap looking. And I know that Dollar General has the same ones for like $4. So we're gonna go look and see what we can find, and I figured I'd bring you guys along and just kind of share over the next couple days. So yeah, let's go and see what we can find. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Pick one of what things? Come right here, buddy, so I can see you. These are cute. They light up, it looks like.
Mama, Papa, what did that say?
I love it.
Mama, what did that say?
That says pumpkin.
What did that say? It is so comfy. These are only $1. I'm not going yet. How are they supposed to see with your hand there, silly? This is so stinking cute. $4 for all my cat people out there.
They have these cute little tree. Well, does this open? I don't know. Well, I guess it don't open. Come on, buddy. They have such cute stuff. I really like this one for some reason. Come right here. Oh, this is super cute. I'm gonna try this. Jeez, can't do nothing.
This for the enjoyment.
Let's smell the boyfriend's sweater.
I get home.
Alright, we have it. Boozy
Lucy?
Boozy pecan pie. That one's really sweet smelling, isn't it?
Yeah, and I say bye.
So then we have the luxurious cashmere. That one's my favorite. That smells pretty, don't it? That one smells nice.
Yeah, I wish I didn't put. That one.
This one stinks.
On
Oh, they have sun-kissed watermelon.
Some this one though. I had that one, bacon that one.
These close. Hand me that one.
That
The blue. Yep. That one. Yep.
I don't need to be really. Not this one.
No, don't touch. Don't touch. We don't want it to break.
Okay, about not
We have
this
apple
one.
picking. Okay, hold on. I go. Apple picking. You like that one?
No, I don't want this one. I like that one's better.
This one's pumpkin spice.
I want to smell
That one's strong. Right? It burned your nose?
it. Yeah. I just fall backwards.
Okay, I like Autumn Walk and the luxurious cashmere.
Mona,
We are back from Dollar General, and let me tell you, that store, that's why pizza rolls are done, but that store was gorgeous. I love how everything was displayed. It just was so much fun shopping in there. I actually put quite a bit of stuff back when I got to the register. I kind of was like, once I get to the register, I usually, once I start looking at things, I'm like, I really don't need that. So I always do that. What is happening today? Hold on. Okay, we had like a random power surge, but I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the stuff that I got today. A lot of it's kind of random, but it will make sense over the next couple videos. So bear with me. All right, so all of these monster trucks were 40 cents a piece. And my son loves them, so does my nephews, so I went ahead and just grabbed as many as I could. For 40 cents, you can't beat it. I also got these floral stems. They were $2 a piece. I ended up getting 8 of them, not on purpose. I just grabbed what I felt like was full, and it ended up being a little bit pricier than I wanted to pay, but they are gorgeous. I will give it that. They're very, very pretty. I love the muted colors. It's just exactly the colors I'm going for this year. So I'm not happy that I just spent $16 on this little bundle, but it is pretty. Yes, baby. Yep, just 2 more minutes. Our power went out, so our internet cut off, and the TV don't work. Or like Disney Plus won't play without the TV. But anyway, I got this pillow. This will be going in my daughter's bedroom. I found this cutting board, and it's only $6. What, baby? Yes, I'll come and see if it'll work. All right, so moving on, I got this candle. This is Opulent Autumn. I love this one. I ended up buying this one in the full size. They have the $3 ones. This one's $5. You can see right there. But this one was my favorite, and it's super soft scented, but just enough. I don't know. I don't know how to explain scents. But it says berry kiss citrus, warm winter woods, and vanilla. And I feel like that's pretty darn accurate. So I like that one. Caden requested these 2 little fans. They were on clearance. I think I only paid like 10 cents a piece for those. We got some pens here. I love these to write with. got myself like a little notepad to keep notes. And I bought this. It says My Perfectly Imperfect Life. It was $5, and I'm going to use this to kind of journal a little bit and like write down quotes that really inspire me. I would love to be able to pass this down to my kids maybe one day when they're older. I think that would be really cool. So I'm going to try to start doing that and remembering to do that every night. I also bought this sign. It says Hello Autumn. It was $5. This Hot Wheels truck my grandma bought. My grandma actually bought the trucks. She was there with me, and she got this one for Caden. When we rang up one truck, both of these, and then we realized this one was only 40 cents, so I ran back there and grabbed a bunch of like different ones. Anyway, is it on? Okay, I'm coming. Hello Autumn sign. This was $5. I got this little fabric pumpkin. This will be for my son's bedroom. I'm doing a little bit of fall decorating in there, and I will be doing a makeover on his room soon too. So I wanted to have that for in his bedroom when it comes time. I got the Hello Autumn sign. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, to be honest. I really liked it in the store, but now that it's home, I just feel like it was a little pricey for the size. It's not very big, and it was $10. Well, I guess $10 isn't too bad. But still, I feel like I could make a sign and a lot bigger for a fraction of the price. So I probably should have just made my own. But anyway, I grabbed it and I might return that. But I got this sweater weather, what is this? A pillow. I almost said a sweater. And it was $10. I needed coffee filters, and then the kids got these 2 cute little cups. I got this little plant. This was $5, I believe. Yep, $5. And this will be used for year round. We got Play-Doh here. We got 2 packs of these. Yeah, this is the Play-Doh. Yes, you can play with it as soon as sister gets home. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
What if I feel right now?
Oh, okay, maybe in a minute, okay? Give me just a second. Okay. We got 2 packs of these. One is the ABCs, and then this one, my grandma bought him the ABC one, so he can, you know, it's just fun to learn that way and play at the same time. So got that, and then a pack of Play-Doh. I bought these 2 little knobs. These were only $1 a piece. And then we got some markers here, 2 more candles. We have Luxurious Cashmere and Autumn Walk. Yes. You want to go back to that store?
Yeah.
Yeah, that store was fun, huh?
Yeah, because I want to do that.
Okay. And then I got a few pumpkins here for my daughter's bedroom. $5 for this one. It was $3 for this guy and $5 for this wooden one with this little tag. I thought this was really cute. I loved it. I love the colors. It kind of goes really well with the theme I'm going for in there. And then I found this little llama. It was $6.
Yeah, Mama.
A llama. Yeah, look at him.
I see.
Isn't he cute?
Yeah.
Or she? And it has the gold pops too. Then I got this, Good Things Take Time. This was $5. So got those. And then I got this throw blanket for my daughter's chair, and it ended up being $8. So that is the stuff that I got. What bug is this? Look at this guy. Hold on, let me see if I can get it to focus. Oh, there it goes.
Wait.
Oh, it's not focusing. There, I got him now. He looks so creepy.
Oh, no, I didn't see it.
You can see him now?
Yeah.
So I am going to redecorate just a little bit, just do like a little touch up.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gonna
guys, so I just decorated with some of the things that I got from Dollar General the other day with this cutie patootie.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you go shopping with me the other day?
No.
Yes, you did. Remember, we were at Dollar General smelling candles.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this past weekend, my husband and I were going to take the kids to Dinosaur World. We're trying to figure out where we want to go. I really would like to take them somewhere fun just to get out and go do something, but I was looking at the pricing for Dinosaur World versus the zoo, which I know we will like the zoo, 100%. We've been before. We took Amaya, I think she was like 1 or 2 the first time we ever took her, and we had a blast, but right before we left, she ended up getting sick. She had like a high fever. It was not good, and we were exhausted pushing like her buggy, or not her buggy, her stroller around, and it was like the middle of the summer. I remember it just being miserable. I like to do things like this when it starts cooling off in the evening, or like during the day it's not 100 and some degrees. Like, I just cannot. I sweat too bad as it is. It's like super embarrassing for me, and my face gets really red, and I don't like to do like family things like that in the middle of the summer. I prefer fall. That's why I'm more of a cold winter type person, especially in Florida, because I mean, it gets cold here, but it's not like freezing, so I can still wear like capris, shorts, and t-shirt. Like, I don't have to dress for the winter like you would up north, except for some days. Some days are cold. You gotta put like 2 jackets on or something. But anyway, we've been thinking about going. If you've ever been, let me know in the comments below. Did you feel like it was worth it? Because I'm starting to think that we would rather do the other option. Because first of all, it's cheaper, and it's a better deal.
Ooh.
What is it with you and...